My head can't be the my phone in a jamming. Timamu for my display in your girl. Mamma for my display in your girl. Anka am rebeting us and a jar. Anka Sam for me. Anka Messiah for that. Anka Sam for me. Myself, the Canadian family will be all this again in our woman. With my warning in a summer, Jama once a move for an Amisa, and then what they are minding me to you. My free me, man, my head, myself, walk fire, yeah. Myself, this is so I'm sorry, but bringing somebody coming photo and some mama to feel. Let me swat them one and myself. I want the money opium. That's often I was trying to someone. I meant to say, Dinonia. Anka and Rebecca Sanity.
Ghana de shima mama sama munyina kwa baba Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Jumedia ye fene Sompa Rhapsody ene nenso yatena se no. Bedika kasa na wachi mu ya boura ya wariye ma yedi ya wariye mu nkomo. Ayedi ya namo SCCE. Ene Councillor General watena se. Bema wo behu wasade wa wariem oba wo behu wasade wa wariem wo wasade na betimi aboa ma wo de wanamo asisiye it is said na no brother yetina sehye nkomo no ase no na enra Reverend Professor Joseph Asafo do obefa in-laws no yense wonom ene obaye hu adwuma enra na de ye bowura mu ankasa wo a wugina ho na wo so ye kunu no wo a wugina ho na wo so ye yere no ene yaba wo ba ene yaba wo so se wo so ye yere no kura wo te ase anasa wo nte ase yakasa wo yere a wo ye hwan yakasa kunu a wo ye hwan wo responsibility anasa wo sede ne sei Councillor General ma yehu say eye office ankasa there is a marriage in a institution eti na Apostle Thomas Kusia Pia the Councillor General ewo ha awo be bie ye ni na di kan kasa Sompa Rhapsody e wontimi ntie emma waware enye basa wontimi ntie mfati bonko so mobra se wutia ye bema wonimdie wo ba bia mu adwuma mu nimdie sikasem mu nimdie abrabo mu nimdie aware mu nimdie afeni kwa wie no wa ye nyansafo ti se Solomon wa afia wo be chen Solomon kura nyansa kasa wa Sompa 106.5 FM Accra why na ye krado so obetie na no payi enyemu amaware nko asa wonya nware ye mpo atie bi wo ye oba tie tie bi da chi bi betimi di aboa wo ba bi betimi di aboa wo huo bi na no nya me boa me eti ene nkomo no ye baba betoa so frɛ wobi no obi nsum frɛ wobi sa Sompa Rhapsody ya ye krado ye be chane out knowledge and wisdom ye be hwie nimde agu tirim ye be hyehye wadwene ye be hyehye watenka ye be hyehye wabrabɔ ye be hyehye wo fie ye be hyehye waware Bible say nimde a mema ni nti wo mo yira edipa bebre ti bonkoso nti nimde a ye ni nti niam bebre asai nanka wo nimdie pa anka abrante we nka nware no nanka wo nimdie pa anka oba we nka nware no nanka wo nimdie pa anka ware we nka wunyai nanka wo nimdie pa anka wo sika kakra ba wo nsem ka betoto ne yie yepesi ye twa manu me ho me hu yanka yepesi ye twam ye fa Sompa Rhapsody so ne ye twam manu me ho me hu yanka yepesi ye twam se wo wa ye crowd de ye be twam ama wo se wo mpede ya wo de troaso duru soro ye be hia ne hufo no ye be hia mo soro ho manu me hufo no mo wo ye mo ma mo nsa so me hu yanka fo no wo de uduru ho a 15 years time no wo de ye bo bebre ye na mo no wo mpese 15 years to come 20 years to come 30 years to come wo ba ka se me hu yanka de a ene na esefata se wo betimi atie Sompa Rhapsody na ebetimi abonti Apostle Thomas Kusi apia tena se die the Counselor General na enkomo no ye baba beto so me kodoma kwa akoma no akwaba Counselor General me mo akwaba o
Akosua shira mejo so
na bibia boko de
oba de adaroma
e nanu aba ya no akoyi uti now about life sir we bow up and down unye ni packet wa kra
so why fe
me da say na why feel what to say
oba de adaroma
na buzu nkola na se ma wo nkola say
nkola na ati se dodo na
what beat me and me na me beat you say me de na enum
eni sa over take your mom
yeah 55
minyama for bema 1
hey babo adwuma wunya ema 4
bema 1 eni biological ena adopted so ka ho ntino wo do mutwa ne sema komanim
why are the jamia shira o wife your friend is Lydia ye chiana no pay
also watch you
mechi edisi wo cheche but ene no enipa bebre edisi wo cheche but ene no enipa bebre tie ebi ye ebuti se me pay oti Augustine da chope so ware me be ye oti afia da chope so ware e dini so pese so ware na ebi mu so ware dada but de mehu ne se bebre na nim de nti o ma ware de edi kan ana bebre na so nim wo ma sade wa ware nim de nti a wa ware ne se yesi wanyini enti won ware yesi won wo enti no ware am of age enti na me ware o baby beba na me na da me ne be have sex obi be si me ne ama de ama me ana so oba se me pe beba bi ama na hwem enti na me ware ye yankase ye define your reason your motivation your foundation ti ye de ware eti wo she obi na de enti na pese o ware na se baby na se manyini no aka wo she obi na de enti na pese o ware oba na se me pe beba bi ama na hwem edi enti na pese o ware se me pe oba bi ama ne beda no awo ama me eti yankasa no ye define de enti a ye ware wada wuruma edi biblically nyame mu no wo me hu sa ware de ye nyame yankasa enti ye nyame yankasa ene nyame won ware na ware ye ne yempe ba bi ntene yensu ye nipa nyame no so ye honhom ena wo fa ye so ada di nti edi enti na sese me kasa me kwa ware for dien se me koda nyame suban di me kope mani die bi ahose me kwa ma ba ma bi ato aduane ama madi ahose nyame nti anase bia me kono oba bi ene me ada empemu agudie na wasi me niam na wawo ama me a wasi aware is God himself enye obi beka say enye encouragement enough for say me megina no so akwakwa ware fi say human beings we are selfish ye pesa me nkumunya me fa wo bra me hu bibia be benefit me
106.5 FM TF 106.5 FM TF any ahwefo so mo hwe ewo Facebook any other social media platforms no na yanka se ready show mo se da bi ombo echidom na enen so se no ye no omo share no dem comment na but there am trust dwumadi no ye no nyina na edi ye nya kwanya abetna radio isu a na omo so de so mo bo echidom na omo share mo nua bi a ebebo obi on twen ma nua beta so pro ware mo ansa esan se ebe odo ba beta na ware na du be 99%.
Yeah.
Bebre na ba for counselor na ware na du na obepenim die odi be ja ware in fact Akosua te pro counselor say pro penim die aware bebre ye da na die pro penim die di jai
o wa je say you kuro mu ha no so obi ba counselor na obepenim die odi be ja ware
say wa bre into so validation obe say obeta na asem no
na ka say wa bre ntiko
me ya bo do wa bre counselor class me je ye
It's yempe counseling. Said the beya, you better restore marriage. I say you better worry. Nemo you better counsel, you better pointer.
Now, what's a program class or your marriage program? No, will be able to be pointer or the better catcher in your two who is off on the car.
Yeah.
Or be validating the point. Same who be on new door or be paying us what I say what tea. Nelson Onyana so Besatra. Name or PB agent so. The best stress some part the thing and say you be share the Amayon. Ye share the say a brabo be sra at the Aboa. They be American say, oh, Jinim, dear Bema, what me jumping, so your Bema, you can be a good husband for your wife. It's up in 22 nipa, not a contrast as way. So it's any time you know, a ball, my who's a boom boom, it should be divided warm. No, sir, warriors and family together. Only the foundation of the family unit. Here we are seeing you now foundation on. To say any pay tears, yes, say your boot tight, and the bars say, one, ye mentioning, ye may in showers as is the free move and 2% one of the major reasons for marriage. And see me ye yame, that the free move bands of a yame, and say a friend godly offspring. Say me, ye yame, may ye yame, I fed the ye but to dead our reamua, the be free more bands you in your coupon. It's the whole concept of marriage. They say we can come together with understanding. Say ye be shenya mi enyam. Na the free move be nyina so be shenya mi enyam. It's na cross pro wo wiase nyina na say foundation break yent no. Ama na wiase nyina agija. Na the woman entertain sentempa say me mu a. Yen share just two scriptures quickly. The book of Malachi chapter 2 verse 15. Shenya mi etrim pon ba ko a ode ema it say media betimi aboya Malachi chapter 2 verse number 15. Now you busa about the purpose of marriage. Now, Maka, you may have 1,000 reasons for marriage. Oh, reason will be na making there will be any break. Papa, we are because Baba no one kata we butchery. Ah, on so ne warrior will be any kata. I'm more crab butchery. Will be pay big gross will be niska. Will be a butai or the warrior. But there's only one reason to make warrior.
Idea.
Say you be seen in union. Need the free move back. I be seen in union.
Ye beshen ni munyam na die free move ba abeshen eno ane botai tie de ware
enti ware said dien na sa niema we entime nwie paya enya ware onyame nu eni ntini hwe asomtina no nyakra awade kra di ibra ho adanse wose we oyemeba wose mo die ntia onu na obetimi command ne na bushia
so obetete ne ma wo makwan
nyame botai nyina no
si e betete ye ma wo nyame akwan
asa oni hwe bi o entu to talk as empempem wo si dem pempem
na akola na ehu nyame a
na de fum wa mu onye nyame na of de fum onye nyame wa fili nyankopon asa eti nyame achiche mu wo de ye de amayen but me de entu na through the Bible Ephesians chapter 2 verse 24 was for this reason. What about Matthew chapter 3 verse 19 going was for Matthew chapter 19 verse 10 was for this reason. Anytime I over time Bible can worry the book of Ephesians for this there's only one reason for marriage. So one kasa to assess our in Yankopon. It mimi you Yankopon you're about to dead that from the full image of God there the free move baby as you yame. It me be braining and one there be an America sentiment unsa ye time Bible at least for table Genesis chapter 1 verse 28. Near trusting America say, be fruitful, multiply, and fill the earth. The time of Malachi, na fi corner fefe, me fancy anymore. Malachi chapter 2 verse has not done on Akosua betai. When I brought forward.
Or see, has not the one God made you? You belong to Him in body and spirit. And what does the one God seek? Godly offspring. To be on your guard and do not be unfaithful to the wife of your youth.
Godly offspring. Because and yes in frisa lying.
And as a family system, this say and
trouble some cross or attack our warrior from the Garden of Eden. Because I'm able to no perceivable. And the young so see me any bear was never the yen. Akosua.
Any award be bring friend when you
Debbie. Yet we share class 30 near made of honor 50. Me can provide the can cry na ojina. Akosua nyesere oban the can ojina. Now what the time and na sad whatever so nyame lay na some foundation. Enti se wo to aware ho anamon na di tam breaking nyame asem a we yam yes nchen.
Yeah.
So the foundation is broken. Oba na munyem. ana na me kira de we be say ye kura yakofa say bi we say we dey ya brofo dey say ya je tum no problem but even the ojitum na mu anamo ewo mbebre no woni meaning vela de kata uti asoba akra na kuhia kire say me ni obai yenhu da and intrasofo mu akonya say wo be ma na wu yi veil no kire say me enen na mi jadasefo nyina enim asafo enim no manya kwan say femitimi yi oba ne ho mi wo be wa ropie to do sen no na nyina ro dada ewie ntu wo genya me nkwantontompo na wutwa
yeah tia ware no foundation ne ya tro enti ne ware 2 months na edu e
na cancer adoza ware edu cancer de betimi adoso but they would not to ne fapem no bible says fapem bubu a dien na obetimi atene
eti de wo ma ye hu ni se aware na ye nyame dia
nyankopon dia
enna onu nso boy na wode nhihye ya ato ho
asa
eti se won fa na nhihye ye so anware a wo bebre eno ano
no enti enfon so ye osofo enfon so ye bishop ye hwan eti na nya won wasa asofo mpanyifo nyina ye nyina ye so ado aware enum because the foundation nyame to untumi sesa no akosia and internet no matter what your person could say me wa me bota me dey community problem be me ma bota ye en clash with nyame bota ye sa dia bebre be mpem bebre ni ye bota ye kan clash and na me kan say wa hwe say ye be ware ye nyan ware ye mpu no oba ne be me kwesa ta ebo adwama na so di tan nyame asma den ato atwene na ndi akwese ma ne yehu no unde ma ne yehu no Tuesday issue ya na me kire say oba wa ware mu no and then yes beto so to your wife let me define it the entire so your wife no say Akosua their foundation nyame lay ama wawarem the edit town na bekita ukunu pa bosafa na meboa
yes
me kire se niam me ensa na wo oba ho na na ebosa kote be ya kan anwie niam me ensa na wo oba ho a wona de be hwie sra bi ko oba na kita ukunu pa bosafa ni safa wo oba mu na eba Nyame define who a wife is Akosua one the first criteria define who a wife is Akosua 1 Corinthians chapter 7 verse 4 Mama fama mo na mo hwe se bible ntam bible ne pene tumra na akire se Akosua enti se bible ne kan wife anya wa pe sheka na ma ye wife ye hwe hu se anya ware na ma ye wife you need to be a wife before you marry mesie timu bi Akosua from the bible and a biblical perspective no you don't marry to become a wife
wife
you need to be a wife before you marry in fact niama me so ba ye me bon last Tuesday no the edit so ba no ye mother nese wunya adwum tie sese me wase de bi ye emma me fie abusua ne oman ni nyina a full topic in fact a hot plan na be hu se adoma chede wo mu nyina no ni nyina play o motherly role it won't mean discover even with data unqualified to motherhood enya award keke the first stage ni say we discover there are 12 major things also and there are 5 major questions also busa to even define yourself as a mother or a father and now for so mushia no
and no meba no so
yes then the second stage is also about your wife bible can wife for one mama na church so shekawa no be no you also to me ntiase bi hye wa adwene mu ti from crabram ti awofo na ma wo baba hu tetene se wife ne se ma nya adwene mu ntiase bi the edit 1 Corinthians chapter 7 verse 4 Akosua ye hwe
Bible chapter 7
verse 4
says the wife does not have authority over her own body but the husband does.
Enti wo dey show bana dwene say Akosua ya maame wo ye wife di entia wo ni wo nipadua so tumi di wo kunu pe enti say mema 1000 kra na be sew pa obi anu kwan so hu ada jam
gise wo kunu
agi se be na ye ho ade enti mfa ho ni mema dodo a wo masem so far as onyanya wo kunu no onu kwan so hu ada jam the moment a be man your ho ade no no wo da because wo break foundation as a wife tienie pa o break foundation as a wife di entia nyame siesie man ma bebre nim se woni padua ni nyina matagya won konkon office na ade bi wo hu bi ya no nyame di hyafam e de ma be ma
okay
anytime oba wase se nyame di seal eto ho no
na se de wo kan se oba bia efri uti besi wo na ase ade bi nyankopon de ma wo bia no nyame famu di ye nhyira ma be ma
ye be hwe
okay
and so foundation nyame atuntu asiesie wo ye full every system nyame be fa mu di nhyira ama wukunu in fact aware mu nyame di wukunu nhyira efa wo mu ema be ma no ema nyina ntie ti mehia na wukunu bra ti ni epa mehia oba na wukunu bra na mehwe wo ba nanim obi say asa na Christian asa bia be ma na ntie afutuo na me say no ti ni ye na hwe nyame adwene wo say na na no man cross man hwe bible kwetimi nya eye observation to be can say behind every successful man there is a woman say who be bi na asiri ye yes ye hwe na chi no papa bi gina na chi and na behind every failed man there's still a woman Akosua me repeat it If behind every successful man there is a woman, then behind every failed man there is still a woman.
I disagree.
Yeah, Baba.
I disagree. Me say. Disagree. Me say. Bearman no so one. Be a bearman no. The choice of disrespecting and honoring the wife.
I know.
Yeah. Ne titia because be be okro nyanware you. Listen, no, Apostle. Be be onyanware. But no etimi ka se me muma. It is our bema we fan say along the journey of life. What we say me nyina wakoware a. Ne fom bo ba no ayede.
Uni de man yehu no.
E die ntia.
Ehon na ye ba ye nimu ahoma no wa ha. Ene ye tweba. Ye ba ye nimu e de si baabi. Say no matter bema ni sunu ne ban se na wo twen no. To me bi nyame de ma wo ba.
Yeah.
I betimi aboa ma ba obema na ye nhira. E ye wo to me friend submission. No matter bema ni sunu ne ban ni mistakes awaye. Wo so to be do to me in the Forson na you can still change the destiny of that man. Yensha Bible Proverbs 18:22. Me more two scriptures quickly. And that's why me nyamre na ye never call wife mu ye. Me metre oba bi ye na hu say wo to me to change the destiny of your husband.
Matthias.
Michelle kunu afela Akosua, I look at you.
And the me see what there be me say 50
na. Yeah, Bible. Yeah, Bible. Akosua dey Bible.
Proverbs chapter
18:22.
18:22.
It's na ye define a wife ye hu say oba o ye wa de di kan say oni oba wa test ni padua na nya ne de ni kunu dia na on fa me ma wa bon ho ba wa bon ho bra be ma be shia sa oba na wa shia wife ye show Bible see Proverbs 18:22
was see he who finds a wife
so
finds a good thing.
Hold on so it means you don't marry to become a wife, you need to be a wife to be found.
Okay.
He who finds
a wife.
So now no, you want to say the definition of a wife. Now Bible can wife and yati is it for mamre and trust here.
Yeah, would the Bible nature it's a case or yeria
and no ba wa krano won fa ne ho ma mema wo se me pedwe mi kunu dia it's a mema 1,000 kro ne pay me a me pedwe ma fa mu bia let's say in short you cho boy virgin yen kan say
okay oba wa krano
mema be share sa oba na enya no kwa ne define ba na 1 point I make you mema be share sa oba na Bible say one mema ne nya adepa. Okay. Next option the opposite as bema be share won so now do ho ma mema dada we break foundation as a wife. Okay. Next we in share as a wife there no good 10 we there. We about 10. No, say yes, Shabbat.
There be menyin
Now he who finds a wife.
Metiasie.
Hold on, Akosua.
Metiasie.
When you mean card fufu.
I have a wife Metiasie, but who can say? E be enfan say baby defile ne ho. Me fan say bia.
If you find a wife and you're a good thing, yeah. You shall not your wife away there.
And I make her say, me make her say, oh, define wife, and said there are so many things that make it a wife, and yeah, no one. Being a virgin,
you're 1 point.
But being a virgin is one of them.
You're 1.2.
Okay, to me, yeah, fat virgin.
Yeah, first point here, I may say.
First point.
You define a wife, say a woman from Krabunya. You want to say,
Nini pediano.
Which means
I totally agree. One family.
Bema be shasa or ban. Bible need define you in America. Nyame personal opinion. He who finds a wife.
Obisube argue say, okay, say he who finds a wife finds a good one. Can say he who finds a virgin. Obisube make his
I think say if we be able. Yeah. But they could define the definition of a wife from the Bible. So I go back next time view. 1 Corinthians 7:4. Then your time was there. Bible can wife was say there. Oba wa your wife no 7:4 ya can see here. Okay. Who?
Oh yes, oh me who?
Yes.
And some because the wife does not have authority over his own body, but the husband does.
Who's over the years near the mama the trust here? It's only just okay about the bema waruria. Who need to produce to me? But ya funnel at a secondary stage. The primary stage is a dream what dear. So oba wa your wife no. Tia says mini peduasu to me.
I totally agree with you.
At no point of something my bema onye mikunu.
Matthias.
Good. Then the Bible now move to a second stage. Say, if the bema shasa obana.
Yes.
Tell you, he who finds
a wife.
Finds what?
Wanya de papa.
And I mean, so if you are not a wife at that stage, and say Bible tell good. So if you find a wife no good, and you shall not your wife how you doing. And you know, I don't want to put my own words do. I'm just asking. Who are different word between their shower? Yeah, comparison. See who finds a wife, finds a good thing.
The wife definition now, who were defining our 1 Corinthians say, or Bisbeka said that wife now is somebody who is married.
And I mean, so the point is, if Obi or your wife, then what our home business, maybe shower, Bible say, well, finally was a wife. question also busa. But you don't put your opinions in no.
Matthias.
So if you're already married, there's a being I'm a call Bible say he who, so Proverbs say he who finds
a wife.
Anytime you are reading your Bible, no, pay attention. That would divert virtues of who can find. So from the Bible perspective,
I totally agree with.
Don't worry.
Baby,
I like it. I like it.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Baby, who can I quiet to say? Say in case of baby, in the past.
And yet, because any person.
Oh, me can you press that? And yet, don't make count you. Be make us say, sir, allegorical analysis now and tally.
Now watch it.
So what you see that you know,
I was just asking a simple question.
He who finds a wife and the one, and the wife does not have authority over, and none does not mean a virgin.
Okay,
that's the point I'm making. The two.
So hold on.
So being power over the body, and not just or a virgin.
Okay.
And he who finds a wife, not just the wife is a virgin.
Okay.
And to the point that who make it as a bearman is shia or bano, maybe infants or ban in the course of the journey of life or former, and not just a bearman meet a bad thing. That is why I'm disagreeing with you.
Problem. So now let's
yeah. I totally agree with you. Mate.
Now the touching for the Bible near everything the will yes be a womb. Mass womb, a cons womb, law womb, BBA womb. So when you attend a school, no, now this kind of friends, logical reasoning anyway. We are just reading scriptures and we are just analyzing it. Now we who says from the biblical perspective, no, you don't marry your cow shell and a my wife.
I totally
but
agree.
Rather you need to be a wife before you marry.
Yeah.
First point. Then near man also to define yourself as a wife. And I mean who's a mature say.
Okay.
Now one of them in the 77 dream was I saw Bass me a wife dear many produce to me according to 1 Corinthians chapter 7 verse 4. Many produce.
Yes.
As long as I meet me a tripusa, I dream maintaining me honor. May your ear. Yeah. May I worry you, may your ear. Then the Proverbs need be of a and twasso. Proverbs say he who finds which is our obey Mamudini. A fear. Nti say fear was a stage he say manya adwemu te fam krabre mu nyina mini produce to me na eyemi kunu paint no won fa no won kan be ma wo hwe no so be ma bi od no be count according to Bible also yo kunu so far as we nya kunu ne de was me fa won ka obi a good Bible say be mo be hia sa wo ba no obi a wo de ma wo no enyam na me de was he who finds over hia in that state no Bible did not to so that we your wife so nya ware mu sama be she kawa na mama your wife
Matthias here
enti sama be wife for Bible says ba no we a good thing and amebo and me busa okay ni ye na nya wife nso and now the definition of wife no ye still from the Bible
who said the definition of wife no what definition now there it's not the Bible that is saying say a wife is a virgin
no so see that term virgin am the boy mu no problem
and who say
so hold on that term virgin is your problem it to the same anyway. Yeah, your first part. Who finds a wife?
When you are the papa
finds a good thing. Now what if you are men? You see now when your wife now wife here. Or bar on what you so need to me.
Okay. Now you only apostle who said they said by uncommon by them. Oba wo wa adwini bi say oni ni padua so to me. E ya adwini mu ade. And here number 1. The second one here dey.
Oh no you person
okay.
So
what makes a wife?
Oh yeah, but me that question we say if Bible say if you find a wife
when you are the papa
na wo shi oba no your wife na me ho na busa ye no
o say me
na person oba answer no e ti ye ma tefo no
me per se say you kasa wife who is the wife? Matthias here.
Where you come and do me make you.
Me kasa who say who check the oyo oyere. And I make kasa kasa who say the odi e ya adwene. The first one oba one adwene bi say ni nipadua na nya ne dia.
Yes.
Na ye ni kunu dia e number 1.
Number 1.
Eti obi obehia sa oba no we share the papa. That's a good thing.
And Busa says so if you am ye share na unya wife from this base na ye wona Bible that way good Nambusa says so the opposite of the good bad.
And he said the mindset is rather you have to check the mindset.
That's it.
And so say Obana Jinimuno because you started with the mind.
Matthias here.
But just what he said.
It is Oceana on your wife. How they what am Busa?
So Oshia so based on wow allegorical statement now make you know. Ye Jina no just say so Obani ni Jini bi say.
Oh your wife.
Nini pedua debi sa obane ni adwene bi se ni nipadua na ye ni kuru nko dia onye wife
good yen to aso
but also what sa obane no ni adwene bi se ni nipadua no ye ni kunu nko dia onye wife
it's not oye dian.
No, the person is not a wife. Cool. But it doesn't mean the person is a bad thing.
Okay, young queen.
But on your wife.
You can't prove us no.
But also what you say. Maybe person will say, I'm using your analogy. Who say depending obani nya adwene bi say. Ni nipadua no e ni kunkwaa.
Prove us ni.
So what e ni kunkwaa.
Matthew no to you can't prove us ni.
Proverbs chapter.
He who finds a wife finds everything.
Yeah.
18:22 no.
Okay.
That's so. And that's no. He who finds a wife
has found a good thing and receives favor from the Lord.
Now watch it. What we na okafa beman who had in the first place? Is there anything about the man?
We receive favor from the Lord.
Is there anything about the man? But then be a kasafati na yet ni behavior be because us are not the out of the beman na ni yet. Beman na problem. Beman na you say, what we do? Do you see anything about the man here?
Beman be anyhow.
But the whole way now about the sana meboa. Me to be so you should
me well can ban it
through that oban be man favor from the Lord. Now the whole thing about one is you have to understand what favor means.
Adum.
Na sa dia can mean deserve no.
Ubenya.
Me boni ni ma ho de anka be ma bi nyame sakra mama so no. Me jili ni nti no nyame favor e be to me so.
Any apostle so
me ba me tam bi ma question ma me me people be say no bi Bible mu ase ye hwe ni ye mbe hye
Bible na me gina so me di ho nkomo no
ye be ba ho okay so wetin mo because na person say
na me that point na we make here no say onyame favor oba be ma nya oba no a wonya favor who come na be to say the irrespective of the man's behavior
ye ba ho
so what I say but me some person me kira say enya biblical the enti make say say onyankopon yi Israel for the oma babo shasa ne so no it was a promise onyame ka say mo beba but adentina a faithful God he was faithful adentina o man kwa kodu
akusu nyame Israel
me ba to so what I say enti say wo be ma nipa asa wo be ye on say asa wo be ma obana better I am a God. You are making the woman like a god who has the capacity to change any man no matter how I was pro at it here, and that one I disagree because nyame no kro obo nipa metiasi o so the two men oba o I understand
some people buti
so
I want good and about woman
for who conclude say Sebema bia prosa dien watete se dien sebio wagimi se dien wontia futuo se dien or anani pa bia na se wo hia oba enam se Bible se wo hia oba wanya favor ntino oba ne what the capacity or the submission ebetimi asesa bema no a that one I disagree because
I'm happy with the way I will busana kusia I think say yeah share very quickly. So we share our idea, our institution. I think some group say last year shall say free, and the laws in that system of marriage, you know, and what tension is no.
Oh, me too. You can
assume. I know what tension is no. Now the papa be a friend John Dawani Mahama. 8 years ago, na opposition. Now the Dan Kufuor na ye president. Now the ban over be a friend office of the president. In fact, no number be na akunya kra da kai mu edichini mano. In fact, o ka se Ghana na ye die. 4 years time and 2 years ni ofre akunya no so. And nei o ka se woda me kra hwa me mfi no. Nyese na ho ofe na asesa. Enye ni sika na asesa. 2 million ekite ni nyina wo office bi. The friend office of the president.
Matthias
office of the president. And they said to be dear Papa John Dwayne Muhammad. Ghana Yashishem Rasa so be shesa obetansa kunyan so wo and I the commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. Inti ne Papa Muhammad tase yina yenda Lord da yina yebeda.
Yeah.
2 million be sanono. In Titan because of no your office.
Yeah.
My main country for muti nyina ne den hu arintas mo ba mu say there's what we call office of the husband and office of the wife.
Matthias, but when him say, sa office here, okay, so over all authority.
Yes.
Or kasi ye na ye better, but some would decide not to sleep.
Yes.
I mean, bet you.
And there are consequences. But
that's what I say. Some, even though our office, our authority.
And
so what I say, it make us say that you may have authority and power.
you can violate it, but there are consequences.
Matthias,
There are consequences. Now, sa papa ikro ye yetimi do bi ko to prison. Was me my pardon. My pardon. You be in a pee.
Yeah.
Now, then I may patch. Say, Uti Awariasia. Idea about Kobe said that marriage is more deeper than
Matthias.
Over the years, I shall worry for my mom. No. Now, no, young to your was not the young rabbi, but not for you, because the day be who to me, our you neighbors say, me have a power, no to me to change the narration of my wife, or baby, be some to me to change the narration of my husband.
I totally agree with you.
When in the over the years, in any time we won't say new system, but now say we no eligible. We won't say because any the normal anyway.
I love and common I didn't know ya didn't. Who say ye perceive building a good foundation for marriage. Biblically.
Yes.
Said okay, you so a mamre.
No problem.
And we need you so a money. Ye perceive a share Bible name.
It's the edit time. I appreciate you who says Bema Bible name count.
Matthias,
your sister me.
Unya oba when you favor.
No batete. Or see a wife and the edit time define the first stage there. Or bar is out a wife no bar. When you are dreaming to yourself on the club, we will say, Mini produce to give you.
Yes.
And you to me because you says in a way, maybe do maybe just to just clear that.
Matthias.
So the first thing is true or bano.
Yeah.
Berman Bible one kind of hoshe. Into my for some time, Berman.
Matthias.
One, obey favor. Next, I didn't deserve.
Obenya.
Obenya. Yamade Berman.
Yeah.
First Peter chapter 3 verse 1.
First Peter
chapter 3 verse 1. Another thing I made the ma or bar, I am a kind of submission over the year Canadian and anyway. Last Tuesday, I said the whole concept of submission is saying, or bow to me up, who is so powerful. I thought, when I talk to power for
Matthias, yeah.
And to say, one to me and for to me now, my phone. Now, General say, obey you can crush your husband.
Matthias,
First Peter 3 verse 1, young.
Or so wives, likewise.
Now, watch and tell wives are. You know who a wife is from the Bible.
Yes.
To for argument,
Matthias.
It's your baby and a qualified, and your baby was the qualified one. Wives in the same way.
Likewise.
Yes.
Be submissive to your own husband.
Go to the word is own. The whole system in between one a system within a context. Often the general it even make sense. Now everything is defined within a context. Say see me share Jerry. Now me bonus to trebe me. And I'm a boy, my cross assault.
Yeah.
And I'm a boy. Good. But some register as a bossa. Naja register as a bossa. No Christian bossing ring more. Met me above the blue, somebody who from Mudia, but boy, some mammy. Your best cram, mammy, your friend is saying, I built her, and say we. The same was blue now.
Yes.
Outside the bossing ring, I could share your betting me. But within the bossing ring, many award.
Yes. Because
everything within defined within a context.
Yes.
A hand over the years about yeah, can wife and yes, no baby, no, tension from the within the institute of marriage. Ye define no. Within this system of marriage, no, and about Kasawaha. So within that system about warrior your wife, no. Bible says so to me, bro. Was young so in the same way submit your
be submissive to your own husbands. That even if some do not obey the word,
that even if some do not
obey the word,
that even if some do not
obey the word,
one person omunya something in you,
they don't.
Or suffer so far something in your
yes.
Only my salmon. Or boy jamai or bob robbie hold on one fast 7 or the year joining yet nurse the suan abra boy
yes
young queen makusia
without a word.
Hold on, without what?
Without what? A word.
Without what?
A word.
Young
may be won by the conduct of their wives.
Hold on, Akosua na me shame no. Still no, it's still in the picture say through you oba. Wana muntu. Nyame di tumi bi amma.
Yes.
Hey, asofo tunifo. Obi aka na no shame we say so for matter na so obi aka be wo so tumi. Wo nyame mo tumi bi. But yensu that conduct is another yebeba ho. Wana muntu has a capacity. Without the word, they can be heard, warned by heart.
And to listen, who say English?
Yes.
From Greek. Any idea?
Yes.
Maybe.
That's
look at the word.
Yes.
One can say well.
Yes.
One can say must.
And I like that word after may.
Or see maybe.
Warn.
Maybe.
Warn.
Maybe. Warn by the conduct.
Nurse, still the capacity is there, but it depends on you whether you can use it well or not.
And you but say we can say offer from a banner perspective you're wrong. Because two people. Or say maybe. So for the Bible to use the word a bit to me. But one can say a bit or say a bit to me.
Let's say impossible.
Oh yeah, the possibility is there, but it is not as a economics if BB say necessary condition and sufficient condition. It is a necessary condition, but it is not a sufficient condition.
Before that way maybe starting with conduct.
Yes.
There are some skills you must build. If you're able to get it right, that maybe can be possible.
Who say apostle?
Who
say apostle? Nkomona ye di unum de ntia me den na ye nyina ye sua de.
Yes.
Me yobia me wo chese me can say I totally believe the power of a woman.
Yeah.
Spiritual capacity.
Yes.
To me and I advocate me campaigning for that.
Yes.
And me person baby who say you are not ordinary. You carry power. Who would nyame di to me bia show mu se wo yere. Who the legal access to the throne room of grace. You can decree things and it shall be established. You have that power, you have that capacity to do that. Your own husband, when you partner with the Holy Spirit, as you said, your office of the Holy Spirit, me through the partnership, but I don't want us to get to a point to say, as a power even without God's help, Obana can do it. Because conviction itself, it comes from the Holy Spirit.
You can never define the defining without the help of God, because in anything can say these are systems because representing which means that power, the source is already God. So tell me you can defining the year.
Yes.
So but be a free banner yet was already what he has said me be how can you be a God when you don't have the mind and the spirit of God?
Matthias.
So you are defining in that context too. Yeah. And yet just me your baby. Say we are defining it in the context. Not just telling you that no. Now why am I check I went to from the me Hama say don't just look at my best check I went to no. Ya adwenimunti ase osebunya. So you cannot connect yourself right from Krabremu who say Nipede nyame dia dia nyame atena nyame sakra hye no men ko boy dwama. So that anamo wutu nyina because what do adwene si wo say it's not my life, but I need to be connected to God and His Word. And you're building one. Some say who
make his statement be say who as it was very categorical. So who see sudia.
Yes.
Say Obano.
Yes. And what I mean sometimes say in this context, they define it.
Who say Obano.
Yes. And I say insist.
Obano because you see may be won by your conduct.
Yes.
It is a who see sudia who say and now by to say Obano will say so I have to me and
yes.
You have the capacity to do it.
That is not outside the word because your whole system the moment it moves outside the word of God, then you are not even a wife from the biblical perspective.
Okay.
Let me tell you, you're different from Bible until you lay foundation that.
Matthias.
So the full system is saying, what do I say? And I'm your idea to check how they won't count. Tell me could not make a no. I don't know so that here. Who's a milk and still no because I didn't say to say what some kawane I'm your wife. No, and then the kawa. No more yet will say wife for Hano. The Ununya Shano. You can't define yourself as a wife without having the spirit and the word of God. And you who first Corinthians said, and he said from Kabrum what he has here, 1 minute to me. And two shall some bubble, baby, anyhow, and the open. Ubesheka was a wife. No, you want the Sabran.
Okay.
And on what system Mukra, it's the year came where it was my bonfire and they say, your foundation is broken already. Your foundation is already broken. That's the whole system I'm able to know.
Okay.
Because you want to know young king, no, Yamia says was a wife. And man for was setting and break your foundation as a wife. So if the Bible defines you that if you find a wife, you find a good thing. Then what if the man finds you as not a wife? Who are you? That's why I was asking that question. Because your sister, my didn't know your brother, baby, you can break foundation as a wife before you marry. You didn't say, maybe I said, I want a wife. So we need to break things down. Now, who say, and yeah, our your wife. from Okra Bremu Nyinano. So maintain that capacity so that the power that God has already built for you in that office, you can now work and perform.
Yeah, it's apostle until who can. Now me musa question to who patch say. Say I'm fan say obi breaking our foundation.
Yes.
Who person who sister say a chese ni pano now. Wabe the person has been redeemed. If anybody is in crisis, a new creation. Sa power, sa authority has been lost because when anybody
so let's lay the first foundation. Then you have the remedy. If you break here, yes, and you back boom.
Okay.
It's be baby. So there will be a word and neighbor who send this me Brennan name be in here before me blame will be ano.
As I have
to start working on myself.
As I mean
when you or build was a what woman
Matthias.
And God expects you marry as a wife. The person did you marry as a wife?
Okay.
From the quotation we are reading.
Okay. It's a basano and said there is a problem.
So if this power yeah can watch me who didn't hear Juma, don't go and blame somebody. Start working on yourself. And Matthias, any kindly, so there will be our no worry. Will be our one about for who says Sammy or Juma yet. Come back to train up a chat in the way. There's already a way structured in Amia tour. And I'm a boss no or ban or your baba. Tetinas a mother. Margin being ready to ye na or your baby or my tetinas a wife. And the year be she. Many who's only pedian crying out there. It's no matter member do a walk when it's your home. I dear no don't me found crochet. Just so don't pay dear crochet. Maybe because to me be womb. The movement I'll be building to that capacity no. Nyame chose even as the stage because you have connected yourself to the word of God. To me be okay. You have the capacity. You are building something.
Okay.
That's the second stage.
All right.
Across you the third stage. Genesis chapter 14, you're born now to Tuesday, verse 25.
Okay.
Yeah, sure how you build Obano.
Genesis chapter
49, verse 25. You see, until over the years, I'm also required for straight a year preaching how to keep their body and I bet preaching. You intimate church, ye. Acquire say, who could boy no, beyond just means anyway. No, to break here. How will you know what to repair?
Nipanokra who said Jamamon or body problem.
And when I contact me for this, we know. Sir, Mr. Shem, who's so crana, to me already favor be free me so. I'm a
yeah.
Favor be free me so. I'm a
yeah. It's in Yamana ye bunanimutia, ne and na menene ne woho, a cohabitation, na another dan, a chair, ya baku, ya womienu, and no coin or quay me one dear, but the move foundation, I must say no. Ma repair.
Now, even that, the word of God not us me more Japan. What you can believe? Let's in entry what to Yamia some quite watching.
Yeah.
And I did be so in Yamia was some the rock. Was a debut, see, Yansen listen that or botan so. Or botan system. No phone a bobo hono. Yamidi chef room. And in time, went to channel 4 Dano.
Now, made
Papa and your sister, you will be 65 and I say, no, for your geographic nature, Papa, and I did cry in the womb. Nyamiya shem sister ndo kase ope so ti nyamiya se a hwe na bode
e be kyerɛw
papa ni ntimi twa no fo da
nyame di nhyira bi egum ama no
enti krobo onim nya se twa be ma na sa da ne so na wuhyira no enso krobo be kra de bufu na mabrama me nda ye be duro because nya nim de se sha de bobom anim no ye nhyira me wan de ye nhyira we di kan de amoni pampempem na anom won ware ye nti me ma na mo no nkrofo nofuo no nya wo dia e ye me mama kan de be define within the context in the context of marriage e ye nhyira outside marriage be breaking down ma wo di sie wa ho wo di se wa ho eti na ma bebre nya ware se di kan sie nkrofo ye mu dada oba bi enti ni ne be me biara onyo kran na dan you already buried that man inside of you. Tell me busa say if oba ye shada nya wife or ye den no be prove actually when wo chen baller wo ye graveyard men man pimping we see wo. Any time you have sex with a man you've buried. Bible bet your proverb say for a harlot is a deep pit. It obema be a room you are burying them, you are burying their soul inside of you. Adanyame nipa be hu ha nyame siesie ma nyame dode ma o no dode mema ye know obi a powerful until about marriage. If you are that day be hu to me ekita wo no you begin to appreciate marriage. Monsieur Cambio, you have a capacity to change your husband. So one on 9 time would releasing shra
Okay.
And in transcess major promo wari mu ne pre ni nimdie ye hwe sese na my breath for fun for was your definition you know you outside nyame adwene ye nye hu nyame adwene ada be hu nyame adwene cross here baby another topic we be say success is prayer in marriage and into baby a power measure ko beje one way e be see ya fatuna ye the same measurement one way na am dey show na ntem ye mfa ya no we na bomb pay me ekunu ye de na we na ntem ne bomb to cross here my life for 40 years unya shower yes bro wase
ne suade
imagine at the table and unfortunately I'm also cry the father open a building you can build as husband and wife all any other no and there you introduction you come husband and wife
introduction kura ede
so
who can say adie bia nyame de ma oba no se ne kunu nom ne no fompo a e nhira bi
one actual what the shafa no fom what the shafa no ntende to so yensa e womb and intra oba waru kunu a also the show yem to oba bi oba so ba ma meta wachi obedi opa ma wusafo nyankwa mi to obedi ba she no trust wo ye bema ye kan kan obi opa kosoro ba fo be ba fam don't joke it to your wife ti mema na yemu ye yire no ye nyanim de and intra ba beta cho se bema odo na yire no odo no ane ho no
ya
enim de
ya bema odo na yire odo no ane ho
and na me be kan fi me be break me be group one down no matter bema sin otie you have the capacity to pray for that man. So the moment I was so buafu, na nema nkoyi, na to ani nje no, wo de wo dwene ye mpabo ma okun dey time.
Wa dwene bompa ye tia no.
It's not nyame to me or the man. The whole system of submission no, is to bring your power down. You are so powerful that you can change your husband for good or for bad. You do submission beti ase e command the food nyame who all power chow. Bring your power down to submit your husband in everything. You work when you hu na so da we dem touch koye oye be ye they went to real say man we the men koye o kwai be se o ba se be fu onye ba fu ne office ni say only town pipe boss afo you need say nim de no etinyame to oba for commando ya chopo bring your power down submit yourself to your husband in everything
because you have the capacity to break the man or make the man
say so far as I woni ni nya adwene no oye nye mema bebre sisi dem na kan room wo yesie wo yere wo yes enkoso because no pam and God is part of that covenant. And you just over bracket you. We never worry. Therefore, when you get that foundation right, now the point now we earlier, okay, somebody can you have the power. Say present way or can't win tie. Yes, the president can say okay, me cast and win tie. 2 ways. Face the consequence or I can pardon you. You still have the power to do that.
You can pardon. Ubeti me a pardon.
So whatever consequence everyone is so God is looking at you.
Auntie who oba na yemfa ne say ebi a wo kuna ye obone ontie omu se wo free wakoma mu de che no a na wanya bibia ntia no a
nyame de beche no
that's the point but se wo no udi yawo wo domine wo kese no wadwene wakoma mu a nyame betie no
Bible kan wo se wo yere ni suwa drumanim
afi no mama te e ma power na sa ha
me ka se to bo ase you do for that whole purpose afena listen to obu ase afena mama the cancer general betra who the problem title the alpha me kwa o cancer afena mama yes for your meeting we say title the alpha mama kwa o it mo betra me say Akosua to obu ase
afena Matthias here
to obu ase
the nipa ni enti ene se oba wanya compassion
yeah the boy and inter wari nyina even nyame dwuma de nyina forgiveness no wuntimi folk no bone nche no na wasomu a de wasomu bia ye pabotia no and the crocodile na wo brain ase you have the power to lot him
timema bebre bre no
yes but on the other side no to say na nyame nam na
yeah
obetim so de achew hatan beba mu na submission na it be elements of submission compassion kind kan ho
ehumobro
to say about time to about operating in 3 levels or web define or say any time abu there were a lot oba no who so ya amana
unim apostle said the be ya mema matiefo abam because wo de
and
but in order say ye bema wo mu tie ye no because said ya unim no God is in a redemptive way and until na yesu bai the reason why he came and say oba no ababa be redeem humanity. If he say or say all have sinned and are falling short of the glory of God. Ebi a wo ka say obabi ti because na focus on dachi bi say we be man na utimi ye woda ka ye din na ha apostle general bawo be man so a okura wo yem be hyew wo bo say man de no kura nye wait So we be man na say wutie we your be man na say wutie oba ne de na eye wo say oba ne de na wutie no na me ma me yiri metie a wo de kwa koma to yem na apostle Mr. Counselor General say oba emema ne de no so a wo be hu say ano ohye but Counselor General in order say obi a wo tie because you untimi nya bibi e point be but our first point you know foundation na break me person wo dey hope bi ma wo baby
yeah
because I have a lot of young ladies I'm a mentor some way I even have prostitute or repente they are now Christians serving God any ade I be mo kra now they are married meaning obi a na oboba sibra wa ware virgin be ma ware ne virgin enti e wo ma bebre o ma sei wo mo ho e wo ma bebre wa twetwe mpona bebre afi kra na waye na dwen say opese odi ne ho si wo ma be ma ba ko pe ye ne kunu da achi but we build foundation was say a dear message and answer so nipa na pese wo healy before kra ansa na be ma ba opese wo ye wife answer possibility wo so betimi aye wife ebra na ni aba na ho so to say the prodigal son no and na kwan be na obefa so betimi healy say be ya be ma bi ba enko yese pass ade no e wo but we healing itself ne spirit soul and body na ye clean why o yere a be ma obeba no se be ma ne da ne kunu ne da na so ono no fo na se wo mo ware a ebe ye nhira te se de bebunu pepepe e de na wo
Akosua ade ba kwa menkan in term say ban sa na muntu we ya it cut across our 3 dimension.
Okay.
Nyame bo ni pasa honhom o ma wadwene na do tu ni peduam.
Okay.
So you are a spiritual being, you are a psychological being, and you are a sociological being. The issue of sex cut across the 3 dimensions. It is a break our breaking, which means a honor the empire boni nyamia semua ubishia a very important empire. Nyamia created that redemptive process natural through repentance and transformation.
Okay.
Say ni pobenya and again such a decision through the Bible. That's when baby nyame force man such a if you repent, it's a who baby withdrew. Now we recognize this say sir baby me never coffee for me and who and I'm on 20 years wunia wakuma bubu ba was akuma bubu na peche
a broken in the contract hat
a hono baby ye no
ye nu ho
ye kra de sande ye kunu botwede and na the thing that right time come waro me waro krompu me ho to me da no you are the foundation so nyakuma bra ho ase na hu baby a wo free ba say you are all ye play role ya bedu baby edu
yeah
akuma ni bubu nyame na de bone eche da wo no so nya adwen sachra na waka na anu asem ahye obo ene no de becho de anytime no de mu ja horo wate ho across the money ehunu is hu aye nu awie but still was so twem yenu from the psychological level and the physical level because across nyame bo man ama ase no connect to ema ma adwene no makoma especially the melancholies sound before ni sa line no aha na ehunu ena ma melancholy for the doors no be ma no wo da ewura wakomam ene wa adwene na when we say you come more senses at ewura uduru ana abia ma no sa connection show adwene enti oba bia woni be ma na ada be ma woni wo be da first adwene ne bie wase no ato na che oba so oba bi hu so oba bi hu sa ni sa ne me wo ho be oba wunya hu if you have nothing to compare with so wunya fa bibia nhyɛ ho a adwene na regulate wo so the moment akwame ene wo da na ebie 2 centimeters na kwame se bi na japade for a obeti paint na be mo break was oti yawa the next one that won't ya bi kwa adwene be regulate hu say adne ba na e for tefo bi akofo na wo de idra de unya multiple ones enti kwame ba na e for adwene bi 4 na ya de akwa 8 and so beti paint na ya abi 8 ebedu be da neutral which means enta ma be kwa warrants and memo mo no wo mo no why be kwa fe bedu be man tim satisfy and see ade hu o ma bra bu mama animu ne no matter them masani what if that man cannot satisfy sexually or sika said then what is said then you can never be happy it is physically and psychologically no what did them na anam hono
okay
when you have multiple partners now and then the baby crown no houseboy for na no Christo ni mu amako penyin so be call houseboy da because sexually am so na way say you are so unique say the moment a different way we hono now you want that thing to fit again to tell na ko be man na di enu honom crucial problem so psychologically hono so here counseling anyway therapy say also do form and just that one mistake no pa bob ho ya bon pa ya nyam de beti ya chew but you need to also work on even the body and wajene
Okay.
And yes, sir, still, it will be recording near my session. Or you could do no question by bathroom, no side near my session. Sir, and I'm 1 or 2 years, and what to channel do to It's a system. I don't know here proper counseling. Tell you be or your holistic counseling, and then back one way there.
So you are psychological, spiritual.
Yeah, sure. I am Pabo Bibia and Pabo, my Mr. Our Sibia and Pabo, tried Bishop Mawari.
Okay.
What my Mr. can be. Our Nenayami and something transformation, renew of your mind, Yambeting up Wama, but still prepare while your house now face our console. No one in Jane, no more, wounds also saying, and remember Mukunu. Because if they didn't have multiple ways and telling nothing to compare.
Yes, sir. If fed back a woman say, if be a member now, no one die, no be a size, man, or no size, and anticipate our ex
size no one even at Pabu side. Different.
One shall compare.
We're range near fast, who they slow. Emotionally, you are going to battle and you need to. You said, for no one said, this is what was saying, what far also. Men blame will be, but you didn't hear blame your partners. And that's why we feel say we are right to even divorce.
Yeah, etibia and now said we say many dano many what they compare.
Yeah, until now we say we because you have something to compare. Say yeah, now when you be that tabet when we say we there be that's a problem. And now one problem be creating are creating multiple problems.
Because at if you who yani Adam.
And you no we still see say the problem is our partner.
It's yen share
no. You move so can no na you but pornographic materials are here so I share anyway no the show movie no we want to act it. I don't problem.
Yeah.
For that thing said the movie no.
Yes, I telenovela yeah be bit create me say na measure Mexican telenovela be ma no eto flower na me na o da be na apple flower. What not you nanka flower crank in it, but I don't know share and or buy and Beman buy and we say and a Beman is no dear no to compare
a problem. And it has when your foundation will say anytime you are talking about say oh which is defined in your content between you and your husband. It's a question yes obi OTB and TS but and yet trust in a juma one mistake no. Oh yes,
it's so ties no.
Medically, you have prove actual. Ben maybe another be wajan DNA woman. Just check it. With a medical phenomenon. Ben maybe another be wajan DNA woman.
And you won't take communion fan flashing it out way.
Oh, so you see, and I'm saying the point I made answers. I felt you are
yeah.
One casa would be no and
yeah, ampa and no beba.
You know. Oh, and they. The me try ye any start of ye anytime you read the whole DNA me bull free say I'm imagining your pay. Oh, so instead of us to now take the whole system and say, you're not free and you are blaming our partner. And our retired also.
Yeah, you take responsibility.
So you're breaking your way down. Now I'm be able to say, okay, it's me too way. I stop blaming my wife.
Long time.
Because me who say, my name to be. It is a mon pabuba memos are the boame. My prayer is God help me, not change my wife.
Yeah.
But then Papa was around the same.
But won't share what the
our credit system now, and they will suffer. You're paying for your own way away because you're meaning answer. When the ball, he knows you better than you know yourself.
It's true.
You're absolutely
right.
And stop blaming your partner. Problem will be by the time you better not see most of it is from you. Make one macro transfer by you. All those who are January softener, Mr. Bra. You didn't cross off with some enemy group warrior. She just said it, and that's it. I hear all the time because I was in one more council because I would start with you.
I would
start with you. Una woman who couldn't name.
Yeah.
Una woman we name. I'm starting with you. And to buy so be paying us so prove who the am is wrong.
And the union
was ready.
Councillor General to me more.
When you're ready,
name say why you ready say we be you from swat to
and we are very honest with yourself. Yeah, so you know where the problem is coming from.
Ubehu.
Now watch it. My mama just 1 or 2 things.
Yeah.
So now my auntie and you introduction of husband and wife.
Yes.
Now I'm starting from husbands. Now you trust about my husband that. And so when you last year na Tuesday tray say to be a father and say when you tell me was say be my fee any my bush and woman in na it's an amount me two fee say me no aduane me bo akon senior my be me of fatherhood nti be man na be very kototi and I mean I've been a good wife and so I pay the bills. You are just being a father, you're not a husband yet according to the Bible. mamile foundation
yeah
ti ase and the Kenya me adwene na akyerɛw ye ni de amamra kyerɛ dada and nyam na mba bɛkyerɛw when wo ye wo no mam no papa wo hu wo ma kyerɛw so you are already thinking so your husband na but make sure say Bible mu de unya your husband
wo your husband and say
edi kan ya Bible mema wo your husband
wo ye kunu
and we in de nyame achɔchɔ to de bɛ mtagye on judgment day 8 years to your bills ebi bubia yere mu musini ma no aduane bua ye nkra no nyame nhyira wo
e de nkra no ko school nyina
ye fatherhood na wo show you are not yet a husband. So you can't say your husband say we need to say I have an exclusive duty towards my wife.
Me will be sunku bi me yama me yere.
I said ye bi me yere pe and say yama no. And no be undeserved.
Me wa said ye bi me yere nko ana.
You are a husband to that woman alone. You are not a husband to your mother. You are not a husband to Sofu Mame. You are not a husband to any of your friends. So whether you are a good husband or a bad husband, no, you're in a junior one casa. I've been a good husband. You're not defined. You're not matter. God judges you in the context of your wife. So whether you're a good husband or a bad husband, or in a judge, because the money who's name one worry, you know, if you anyway muntie. So a one Jeremiah, one worry muntie. You can be a good man, but depending on bad you can be a bad husband. They said to me, you can be a good man.
Bet me about say we be my papa.
But you can be a bad husband.
But ne kunu de
I said now koyama oba no Santa your good or your best may not even be enough. Because nyame ahye say who husband rule no or say satisfy on oba no. Ko na mato.
Oba no na mark be man.
Na wa hwe say nipa na expectation na won't me meet here. Na so won boost no feel. Any am so check so be check oba na adwene na koma. De odwene fa ho. And na ye reported nyame anim. Enta nya oba bia na aware no. And your baby be no. So your bar because you're going to be a wife to that person, and that person is going to define you as a wife. It's a question. First Corinthians chapter 7 verse 3. One of the definitions define the as a husband. Ye, and your mom ready no. First assignment to be a husband is the Bible say, and so we nya adwumuntia say command Akosua. And so now you who the definition of a husband from the biblical perspective there. Enter the husband no. Now do adwuna comment show be mo shaka wa ne kan da bi. You can marry and wear your ring, but still you're not the husband before God.
In 1 Corinthians chapter 7
verse 3, you're just in flow.
Let the husband render to his wife the affection due her.
Akosua hu ha. Mama Akosua say can be you. Your commando. Now make commando so also your husband and let the husband render to the wife the affection due her. We not think kanyina so. Wo na koye ada you be dia rehu be what failure as a husband.
Or you not think
Akosua ye too so nyame ni na musi nyame does let the husband buy a car. I am in town pesa we friends saying my interpretation
me read from
who's a car marital duties no kuku be ba mamrem na say marital duties be ba koma
yes
now you feel okay I na fa ba koma what but when nyame nim say nipa no operate on 3 levels or emotional being so we starting from emotion
oba na watenka
na tenka nyina so emotion really nyina ade me ye ni je me ya real ho ni we nyina no nyame si the moment abaye husband no una be kita we ga tenka o ye ni je na ten na real ho kita wo enti say a man pimpin na we wiase Akosua me man pimpin na we wiase oban say wo na me fa wo se me kunu dia nyame se man ni nyina we wiase nyame anka say let the husband render to women your wife the affection due her. Akosua na mabusa be ma wuti say how would you even know your husband your wife?
Let the husband render to his wife the affection due her.
Akosua.
And likewise unto the upper church say, "Oh, man, wouldn't mo yere say?"
Wouldn't say. Akosua radio ha. A man you do want to turn Santa Claus and na chere you will be a love language.
Yes.
Love emotion, a emotional switch. Ubia wadi me ni chie. Will be the primary saying the main switch. Until you light about them hey. You're on the switch. The switch this one need to do no the train or baby I think can you so your casa. Ni emotional switch no opa mani bibia Christian ukasa anya de wotia no wo ye no nipa mu what do nothing ka enter to show be Christian talk ama no yes if you want to say I'm not happy in this marriage
menye
we just man bibia bokro de ya man oh bibia oh yet I'm not happy because the emotional connection no ye dum no be man tia nipa mu o gu n'anim ato ye na manu ya no na me no nya husband the ente unye hu yira tenka nyina so which means say we betima man bibia de but don't miss the emotional connection ana biti ye no
e say we connect to oba na emotionally
Hana biti ye no.
To ban na tinka mu na ni.
Ti mama tell say koba konma to your face. To when we that junior say I've done my duty as a husband. Nyame sha so to wa konma. Be unya kwan sha so Bible mu because emotionally your wife is dying. Niema etete wo yere eno na wo ye. Nyame no nya husband wo your husband. So be anim sa oba na tinka na so cross. So also your husband there. You must know it and tell yourself it is my duty to render it to her. And tell them to me be da and say me ya me yere. Metiatia no. If me nim say me ya tinka na so.
Ejina wo so.
And so ye tete yere no but ye nim. And if when oba ni complain kra no, o do pekasa dodo. When sasa we was made me who yere tinka na so. There be make check the consistent complaint. Oba na tinka na so na I say me say ye be ye temperament be wa. Now we said melancholy for the tower this line. They can't stand embarrassment. I don't want to me amusi semni nyina switch no. Ade di do ne nim do ase. Nipa no afre na bushia no report no afre ni we no report no. What shutting the system down. Nipa opeso bi ehu so you problem. What kuni ni mo ase. What shutting the system down. It oba na tete wo emotionally. But what's if you man? What to come on in your mind? I've done my part as a husband. I'm marrying Adenam. I don't know.
Nese memma ni bebre kra ho na yire ne kra wo nim na penka.
You don't even know the person.
And onim de man anim poje.
And I'm answer you so today. You have to be to my back on home. You say, hey, Nyame mu aware.
Me tie school fees. Me dem kra ko school.
Nyame mu aware. You don't only marry the body of the person. You marry the of the person, and you marry the body of the person. Eti busa ho se wana mo na oba ni tuo no. Does it fall into all this system? Spiritually, psychologically, sociologically. Yantre to kokoti ne na mo Benjamin friend busu mu a unya kon shawari ase. You don't even know your wife. Then sometimes you pay mu because you bold complaining no. Yes, so kan ni aso e di be.
And na gedodo, and I'll complain dodo, and I'll pekasa dodo, and a debia way, and a debia way, and a debia way.
Because you say you were an exclusive assignment in the life of that woman called wife. You the anyone say, my man baby atna, me shen my yen one day, may can be that is fatherhood. It will be the quality time. Did that now there were when you sometimes there you will be Diano. Will be on people.
Yeah.
My time after me shares also some time ago. Will be free me so for and then be a major no come. We ever tell you opposite side, the same side. Your bema be so na think that's on the same the same. May oh taking no from me right away was movie or senior sublime which will fear and pa. To whom say na ne tete no me wa me bra na me kokuma se na me ba na o se ordinary car na yeba ye twita na ye di kuma no bi na so for wetum dem tama here no say den ba fufu tra wesi ye hwe so fam pum sa do he obi yire frɛ no na ogya obi so yire frɛ no wagya na me nim nyansa chen ti nyame kyerɛ wo se ye nya pɛ akosua
ya eti hwehwa wo de no
kru de ho yire de na yema no
hu de wo kunu pɛ hu de na yema no memfo obi de ntutu obi de
ani a problem no in fact ye mu bi kra de and ye trusted be yamu kra na ye
de wo ono ne de no ono je say ye de
so for instance oba na me example oba bi wo ha ne de ye bi a friend say out of service
say bi a wo ye aduane wo fi no be ma no so no mu kakra
no wo son na ni Japan be ma su de physical touch o hom de physical touch no mo na akosia ono na 100% ka wo so ne nsa to say the late Papa J no so ne yiri mu no ne nam tolerate for so problem pa no mu nim ye wo su de wi a wo ye tolerate ye tai na ne ono ne na ma wa ani animu no di wachi no wo ye call na oba itete mi kunu konya no kwa mu ko pre no so ne nsa woni oba na tete oni mu o
yeah
hwade oba yi ebia ne de ye kwai atose be ma de physical touch one ne record am pass wo so nkwa me de jara mabre wa amana nso ni mu ahomachi na oba ya sori akopro ka anu ayeti abe ni kradwun wa ye adwuma pa wa feli de wo ye yema wani beje no e na wo trasa be ya ma obi nyame ni nyansa chen wo so hu kunu de
mu yere de na yema no
nyansa asase no eti wo de nkomo obi
memhwe obi de wo de na wanya no de kuta wo no hwehwe de ono pe
that's it
know your husband know your wife
that's it
who nothing can you so e de na ma wutimi connect with ukunu anasa wo yere na tenka e ma na nije etinya de wo se ma ye we nti se na nije da bi ono na kire de ma na nije nya ona kire
I was say bu okra ba na kra woni be ma na kra so nim but the moment I also from who okunu na wo yere no
e so hwehwe
also wo hwehwe ta me ma one clue no hwe nipa consistent complaints
de otakasa fa
don't nya obo afọ kra o de wo mo ame kra no say no need any out of service
yeah
Some man now cockroach
come for me crab
for data counseling and nobody or no no kitchen now born in the Japan them rock kitchen can table with my
how grew or you don't
because nim the end say ya just say man na ye pe one comes a young no yamini nya sa chen say man na ye pa ko ban list no do ABCD for you one kasa was who dia wo ye de pe na ye ma no yamini nya sa ye dia ya ni general the best say should be free be go away na my example say here obi yire fa no wagya obi sukunu ayi ne yire enfren wagya it's a wood way wo pa frefre na ko sa be mo pa frefre a wo gu aware
yeah
nyame no nyansa unti de esi obi fie no egu obi akoso de ayare ho ade be a problem wo aware mu no e obi mpa ba wo bo say wade man kunu ana ne yenye sa e ye be du sa level no be shake
ade obi complain when aware mu no obi pe
there is no problem in marriage. Every problem is already in your mind.
Yeah.
But nyame so nim sa na wo so okay oba na no ba ma moshia no mu hu mo adwene more expectations so that you can fulfill it because nipa na nye pe de mo obi ani gine mo obi were ho since me transfer say 2008 me one man be disu ba me so for me gya aware mani nche na say ados me kunu mu me so ne yere ne me hwese be ma me ne tie otu anu akrotoka otu anu osifi so for me kunu frame kro one day ne me ntena ase kwase ye fa adwene da wo de so for one frame mpunu so se me yere we na me kra na adwene ho sen na me kyerem adwene kra no amfa ka me feel se me kunu for the first what tie me be ma ne bi da na be ma ne se wo mu de so for me ne den na we wo pan so when you say 3 months pepe na me share my wife and na downfall na ne wife adanfo ya ye toto share na edika de ne ho nko because kunu TV so no so papa so see ye my classmate when you ti share not oh papa ne hu no TV so ne yiri nam so oh mama wow ukunu oh yeah why na say na what is so for ye jai adan also onye be ma adan oh we mo ntimi take decision or to tompa bokra we me ntwande me to ye me obusa me nyin say adan me be se me tete abofra na so when obi kunu ebusa no bibia so wajai no obi so kunu musa no hwe also wajai nyame ni munyansa so there are many of us should be your husband and wife
because nipa no kra won nim no
you don't even know the and if you even made an attempt to know because your mama and say no
yeah
you say one say why your ba no ho ade ndie ko ne ko hwe no mofra no
na say your mama ne kire ye as a duty
fatherhood level
and fatherhood level
that's the level
oba ye say you
bem for yan call the next level which is the husband and wife level
and drew
until your wife for 30 50 90 years near the bonds afoni be no tena say we ba mu say so nya shawari to nyame ani many married men are not husbands and many married women are not wives according to the Bible.
Apostle mama tie from and then they will be any pa atie for me ma meka say na ye boawura ya warem counselor general and na ye tie ne nka no 0260 19 on the minute share sa from titingina beginning na ye the boss wa na fe ebe kwa chire no na settle na ya agree na mahu se se de no woka ni na ka betwen ma ne wie ya enka se ma dwene ya no woka eye 02 etweke ya ware enka sa o sha si abakọ no so ko hume kwa hu se we no eyi ono o pentima hu ne ntam eti 0260196064 and 0260196065 beginning me ne boss eduru echa me sampampa say de wo mitim no na wo nitim ya dwene kwa bankrum enti yenkwai hello
yeah good
morning me pacho me nua baba na me hia ni
pastor ebi ni first pastor
yo ebi mami ntio
da mo ye ya yeah, maybe no, I don't know that's the one. I'll marry after dating. But me, I wonder myself, if you need me, yes, I am not there. No, I need to say that if you are new, I will go for other relationship. Maybe you can understand your maybe. Because he doesn't see me as really emotional, like, no, I ask myself, there's something wrong with me. He wouldn't just start with me. When he did something to me, or once then because of your attitude, let's sit down and talk. So I thought, okay, and when the religious our issue is not able to just like how one the upwise. Most of the women are really going through a lot. Not emotional because but all the same.
Thank you too. Thank you. Yeah, that's it. 0260196064 and 0260196065. Hello.
Hello.
Me ba chomi ni abema ben meshiani.
I'm Kwaku me free Akosua.
Kwaku mami ntie wa no pe.
The woman is papa and you papa. Amen. Yeah, no, yeah, prof family, Professor Du, Safo.
Okay. You.
Me say, and then I call you two pushing, and I will have the program. Okay. Now, support to man, I've defended of a fact. Many do my idea and send them fatana, or they are difficult. But why mistake? Why mistake?
No correct.
There's a new page.
No correct.
Yes, it is not coming yet. The Quaka Joseph Yabutrema, Prophet now, or only I can go at the program.
Mate, me dance pa.
Dr. Limama,
me pacho mate me catcher. Me dance P 0260 196064 and 0260 196065. 0260196064 and 0260196065. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Me pacho me papa pena meshiani.
Pacho from the Oakland, courtesy Shama, New York.
Me pacho your daddy mami ntie wa no pe.
Yeah, I'm telling one of the years you have very few years. In fact, I want 73 years. I want no matter your cage. But you know, cage is too much. We know go see ma, I'm going to choose more. But you say, "Why you just a man? You are trying to put that in film." Then you need no matter what.
Mate, me dase I one dey etiefo tetinyana na me ne ye program o da bia me ne hyase a ya de bosses a ntie enu akire ne ehu se adwene e wo nitirim na no ana wo mitirim na ya adwene ekọ nakra na enti sa na ya na ye no ye da mo se. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, me pacho me papa ben meshiani.
That's only about.
Eh, me nua ba na ti say.
I don't boko man am sure.
Ya ho ye pa mama ntie o.
Mamba cho afena matine soko ne kana pa.
Aha.
Ntu de oyeja. Onye kunu.
Okay.
Because you are school fees, any PDC, any bills, after my town. Onye the clear the clear kojuma. About 11, 12, no, about my car, 10 good years in me. Of course, or yen, I said, the entire if you didn't have to, or mamma car, and so my name, me pet. I don't want
relationship,
yes, and quite way. Ma, only me class time. Last week, I saw a funny mouse too. My minister of Colana money because it's only Mutapano. And some quarter say, on what PTA on your sheet, meaning the Mababe Tumpo. Ain't no, a mamma yada mamma, not me, not yummy, ya, and I say, myself. Unia insura Mauku. But ma one into a unia dear to a mama rather amano.
Matimama
because all I made one na. It's a busanic master because of them in maybe a canoe. But then money who your pen and what thing not the do can and fun because almost story papa. You can't tell the bottom. Suppose you're not watching, but you have the money who said, you want to know when. And one who are there about it, oh, I know what people see and a funny and rainbow.
Matthias, Yoba Mate, and you remember Apostle Church mu a bit to say, a Bemane your father, but on your husband. But a basansua, nothing what think a moon so a depletu, and I want to miss some for sono, but the obey and a Dutch member not church. Why?
Gotcha.
Matimeda sepa nyaminshra. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, me pacho me papa bani mission.
Pacho,
Yo, daddy mami tio.
Come in, what you say. You know, the hope. Our furniture. You see me that check that. Mariana and the
Ose wo yira fa wachi. Morning, me pacho me mami ben me shiani. Yo ya mo no so kakra ma me wano no wo fam kakra.
Me pacho yo na akama mo kana me dem kwa mesu. Ese asa kana ma sama no. Ya me ne be ma ya wutu ni ya jai. Ese ma Akosua oba. Oba se mi achira. Nano. Se mi achira nti akola ketu kwa no be humnya. I'm trying to respect man. Me young when you put the head in the suit, a test to me, then hey, so
64 and 0260196065. Hello.
Hello.
Me pacho.
Maybe Mr. Abankwa, Elias, Mr. Virgin.
Yo, daddy, mami nti wano pe.
Obi kase, papa no 10 years 7. For years 7 today, not all of them. I did my program in no picture. In lecture pictures, first or minimum said, we say, got some idea of the I think of future pictures are first day. Future pictures. Now, I saw for when you back here, now, future pictures. Now, papa no. Oh yeah, na not so do kwabenya enti no point me nko because enti no the first of all the better nchawa na o meye ba bi to test your ana ba bia e di kwa be ti aba o be nya kan easily.
Okay. Mate.
So for we good pa do kwa na so ya.
Mate.
Kunye mistake awari e da.
Matthias.
Because our radio, or your expert, in Ghana, I don't know yet, Opiti, our rear, or chair country of your organ.
Amen. Yamisha, daddy.
Pacho, don't be better share. My mistake, you know. Me flow bear 20 times more, but more like that. Then I'm on the 2 your first station, you know. My fra last week, and no, with the 2 hours and me, baby, I'm more. That was it. A street now, only I don't run. And yes, I street, you know, and I'm more. Because, moving yes, is also 20 Sompa, what is that? Someone or bread. Your friend was also a move back. Last week, Tuesday. Me chita pe tuane domi na me everyone so me be 2 years and me home ho me be do up na say 5:30 it na operation to na ko you know another dia na ho chira me ba mo ho because some part no your from mo me na da ko pe na mo dia to
mate that
somebody here ni ho and na o ko si do me market na o ba somebody here ni ho
me pacho mate mate ebe ho adwuma e na daddy mpacho mate number no memma na fa number no wafrɛ and se wo pese wo ba ha na wafrɛ ansa se de be ya wo mra no dipa na wo pese wo be hwehwɛ no wo be hia no se bia wo ba ha keke na bia nipa no wa amfrɛ a bia nipa na wo be hwehwɛ no na wo enhu no nti e be sere se number na ye di tudwa no in case se wo frɛ a ya very sorry se wo so frɛ 20 times na yamfa yeah very sorry but normally say you be who miss calls yeah you free back enti no minim de enti a you who be 20 times na yamfre enti who de yeah sorry pa ya fa number no me da se hello
yeah madam
me pa chomi nua be na me hia ni
you femi kopituo
yo me pa chomi nti
amasana
mate mami nti o papa
me see our books bia or you bet me problem.
mi wi a mebusa no ho asem so book bi a why okay Miss Medas me fa nipa me pa na afei me dia ba wi na afei the second service dwumadie no na ye de aba 0260 196064 and 0260196065 apostle mame ma wo ansa bema bi a wo frɛ ya wo kase ne yere wabɔ adwama wafa na chi wahu ode ache no but hu na ne ho ye na hi no ni yi ano ma me na yi bia
anti Akosua me nka in terms say ade bi e woni pamu bia no wo pese solve a threat levels and na BTA no enti ebra also ode ache no no one also hu say bi anyame ase no wate and also ni babu say fanchi to ache spiritual but adwene na mu modi dem to also nya entity and kasa it between yi saa niema na film because enye ne saa na da bi ya sakotwa no wo ho na afi hu na mu so or at least also utimi eye ne ho adwuma no hu no sate show ba no from a different perspective.
Okay apostle mame fa call away mi wi a meba ami ato so hello me pacho me papa be na mehia ni
Hello.
Papa pacho mi tie wo yo mame fa foforo
Hello, good morning.
Good morning Obapa now free here
Pacho mi Francis Tema.
near Forson.
Efemi Akosua. Be jino dia be kami die ni na mi see you magia tun.
Okay.
Now so last time then ni friend ya. Asema okika ni hu ni ami ye wa asem we ni.
Ah wo be frɛ wo. Matias.
Ofrem ya okika asem bata.
Okay. Mate. Aha. Mema counselor general. Opa futu. Mate mema na tufo. Mate medase. Maye me fa last one. Okay. Hello.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing well.
This is Sompa your Tema. Do they do you?
You do maminti you.
Every patcher whether between you and I. What my time from 8 to 10. She say no is almost
Pacho Council General Pacho Mami Musa. Dear Obi Frey na wo kan say ne yere afanachi wo hu ode a che no e de na wonye.
Yeah, so now me kan or nema miensa. Also anytime be nipa wo problem bia no, you must deal with that problem on 3 levels.
Okay.
Spiritual, psychological, sociological. Bebre no e be 1 level pe. Sa level sa se camera yin miensa no. Ba kokora mpo gina na mienu na nyina still enyina. Eti abo ho mpa ye be also nye nimdie. Ebeboa na ekutwa na ba adwene no obetun yi. Na hona mu nso no how a wo hwe oba the perspective of hwe oba ni film because bebre ni ye na etuta say fa che de otun de chebe you free tim de ana jamani tatum motan say mo twa mota say me dia che oba jamani nka de o sa ne mani nyina ye ensema hye ya adwene mu wanya e da reverse mood wanyi sa nsema film a wo de che nipa be so hu na etile
yes
na hu say nyame na timi bua ye de me because otumi nya the foundation writer na wo hu say ne me wadwuma ye wo mantasa no because manyi ne be wo madwuma mfiri mu nipa wo de achen so ntumi fa nche no wo waka o me de ache no ben se ne so adwuma say wo me de be che wo be mitimi nyi mfiri mitrim ye ta aka sansem no wotimi de che obi betwe ye frutrim
okay
se wo ma ho kwan ame ni se nyame asem a wo beti ase hu se sa me nipa bone ache no a enye for me nipa na mu for me yankasa because adwene no so we said that we need a clear conscience betima ma wo nya nyame nhira nkasa there's a level of knowledge also build which bebre ni nyanya it is psychological no so nya sanim de no which mean ya be ma ni repom no I think say follow program na onya me do I sit with mindset I have there's 2 topics the law of the mind and mindset
okay
also to the year wa adwene ho adwuma bebre pro nya no
okay
it yi ni mo be fu adwene na hu kwan a wo so yi apart from so bomb pie ni de so boa yen nyame asem na ye nsu wo hye adwene no betime class ani mani na futo obetumi dia che nipa no but me brain it me fan because of ye twi ni ma ya ka hye adwunu no me de be che obetumi nyi free trim
okay
onyi free trim obetumi so yi free
obetumi so okay na oba na ofre de ye de ni twa to no na wo kasa ni kunu ene oba bi akowo mienu oba ma na tukwan oba na oba ne be ma foforo da wo ni fie nya ne yiri o oba on na akowo mienu